I want to talk about time management. Something we all talk about, something we all really want to get good at. However, time management is very interesting because it's a very subjective concept. It's a very subjective notion, right? There's no wrong or right way of managing time. However, there's something I learned many years ago that I still practice today, and that helped me a lot in my career, which up to date, it still helps me a lot. And I think if I share that with you and if you start practicing that, you will be in charge of your time as well. Here it is. What I learned many years ago is that there's a major difference between working a lot, working hard, and working smart. Well, you may say that that's a different version of Eisenhower matrix, the 4Ds, right? Do it, drop it, delay it, and delegate it, which I agree in a way. However, if you understand what tasks require you to work a lot, what duties require you to work hard, and what responsibilities require you to work smart. The moment you understand the difference between these things, you will be able to own your time. You may say, Seymour, seems like you didn't manage time well, that you are caught in rain. This is by choice. We came to ride a bike with my son. Daddy, you want to say hi?
I can't. It's too cold. It's raining.
It's not cold, but it's raining. Yes, we came to bike here in the park. So, and however, yes, that there's a major difference between working a lot, working hard, and working smart. The moment you understand the difference, you'll be able to own your time a lot. To manage your time. All right, thanks a lot. We gotta go and manage our time well so that we will not get caught further in the rain. Cheers.